Hey everybody, this is Scott from Woodcock's Beer Kits. Today I'm going to show you what's inside of one of our 2-gallon beer making starter kits. Thanks for watching. Okay, well this is one of our starter kits. When you order one, you'll get to choose which beer ingredient kit you want to come along with it. This one comes with a Jimmy's Cream Ale. Let's see what else is inside. The first thing you'll notice when you open the box is an insert with a list and description of all the equipment that's inside. It also has our contact information, so you'll be able to get a hold of us if you need to. Next is a 3.5-gallon fermenting bucket. This bucket is obviously food grade. It's also heavy duty, will last a long time. Super easy to clean with nothing but smooth sides on the inside. It's also a dark green color, which doesn't allow any sunlight to come in, sunlight or ultraviolet light that can harm the flavor of beer. Opening things up, we look inside. The first thing that comes out is our Jimmy's Cream Ale kit. Again, this ingredient kit contains all the ingredients you need to make 2 gallons of beer. Also inside the bucket is a bag containing the rest of our equipment. Let's see what's in here. First thing out of the bag is a floating thermometer. Next is a 3-piece airlock with a rubber stopper. The airlock allows fermenting gas to escape, but it doesn't allow any outside air to come back in to contaminate your beer. Next, we've got an auto siphon. An auto siphon is the easiest way to get a siphon going. There's no sucking involved. All you need to do is pump this a couple of times to get the flow of your beer going, and you'll be able to gently transfer your beer from the fermenting bucket and into your bottles. Next, we've got a length of siphon tubing. Then we've got a bottle filler. This bottle filler on the bottom has a little valve. When you touch the valve to the bottom of your bottles, it opens and allows the beer to flow. When you lift up, the valve closes, and you can move the filler from one bottle to the next without spilling and causing a mess. Lastly, we've got a heavy-duty bottle capper. This is super sturdy. It'll last as long as you want to brew. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, let me know below. Hope you have a great day.